Hi, I'm Vince. I'm here at American Suspension. And the other day we talked about the Road Glide fairing mount, which attaches directly to your bolt-on neck. I wanted to mention something about that. If you look at the neck, or not the neck, but the fairing mount, you can see it has some writing on it there. It'll say 26X, 30, or 26. And what that is it lets you know which set of holes you use for your bike. So if you're building a bike with a 30-inch wheel, you use the 30. If you're building a bike with a 26-inch wheel, you use the 26. And if you're building a bike with a 26 wheel, but you've opted for the increased rake, which some people do, looks kind of cool, then you would use the 26. So it's just an easy way that you have one mount. It works for all of the different options, and it's all clearly labeled. All right, thanks.